How to use Shopify Analytics. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's episode or today's tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to use Shopify Analytics or how to read different metrics so you can know what to do and how to customize your store or what to change up to develop your sales. So first of all, head to the analytics section, and here there are reports and live view of your shop. Here we have the total sales that we made through the website, and these are not the confirmed sales but every sale that went into the checkout. This is the sales by channel, and I only have one channel of sales, so it's only showing one number down here. These are the different online store sessions. So for today, for example, 11 people visited the website, which is an 8% drop from yesterday. You can also follow along with each hour. And here we have the average order value, so you can know the average order value of your products on your website. And here we have the total orders for today. I have only one for today. And online store conversion rate, for example, adding to cart is a 71% conversion rate. Now, for the online store, now for the top selling products, you can see down here which product of yours is selling the best. You have customer cohort analysis and returning customer rate. Now, the sessions by device type. So here you can see if people visit your website more through mobile or through your PC, through different PCs. Now, the sessions by location. As you can see, Algeria is the most country with the visits to the store. And you have different analytics and different options down here that can help you understand the functionality of your store and the functionality of your sales, so you can know how to customize that even more and how to reach your preferred audience and how to treat your orders in a very smooth way. Now, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.